Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this vlog. And yes, over the past few weeks I have been interacting with a lot of you regarding your concerns over some of the issues which have been bothering your mind a lot, and I have been trying to reassure you that the institute is well aware about all these problems, and sooner or later they are going to take steps and adequate steps to curb any problems which might arise due to these problems to you. So guys, this video has been created once again to discuss all the issues which are boggling through your mind, which are going through your mind, and for which you are so tensed, you are so nervous that you are not able to focus on your studies. I have tried to explore all these issues which are currently in your mind and which are bothering you. Before I start to discuss those issues, let me tell you one very important thing, guys. So pandemic has taken its biggest and its worst avatar. It is in its worst form that we are seeing this pandemic as of now, and no one ever expected that India would suffer so much due to this pandemic. Pandemic is equally there for the institute professionals, for the institute officials, as much as it is for me and for you. I have not stepped out of my home for past so many weeks. Maximum I go, once a week or twice a week just to buy some necessity things. Otherwise, I have not stepped out. Even during this time, I have known many officials. I know many officials who are traveling to ensure that they are doing the basic stuff, at least the essential stuff of the institute, and they are really working towards ensuring that none of us suffer. Yes, in this entire process, there are delays. There are bound to be delays, and we have to accept those delays. But rest assured that before the time lapses or before the fag end of the time, everything will fall in place. The institute will be able to come up with adequate guidelines, with adequate safeguards, measures to ensure that students do not suffer. So do not panic. Your emails have been continuously reaching the institute. Institute mailbox is full, is bombarded with your emails, which some students are telling me, sir, we are putting a follow-up mail every day. Every day you're putting a follow-up email. That's perfectly fine. So your entire issues are being communicated to the institute very often and in a very clear manner. So do not worry. All your voices are being heard at the institute level. Okay, so let's move on to the 5 things which we are going to discuss in this video. First and foremost is the re-verification result and withheld results. So yes, reported against cases are not able to file their examination form also, and yes, you will not be able to plan your examination until and unless you get a clarity on withheld results. I have been seeing on internet that some of the students have been coming up with emails. They have been receiving the emails over the past few days now. So more likely, guys, within next few days, you'll be receiving your withheld results emails, and yes, you'll be able to give your examination post that. Some of the students are being debarred for say 2 attempts or so pursuant to the malpractices which they have encountered during the examination. So withheld results might land you to trouble, might have some debarment actions against you. So let's wait till the time you get your email from the institute for the withheld results. And re-verification results, these are also underway, and they will also be declared pre the examination by the institute. So let's wait for that as well. Examination form fill up, especially for withheld result students, is becoming a little chaotic, guys, because you are not getting an option of filling the examination form since your results has been withheld. Okay, now let's again, this will depend on what is the result of the withheld students and what email do you get from the institute. So just wait and watch for the email which you are expected to receive within a few days for the withheld results. Now, third problem is demand draft preparation. Yes, I've got a lot of messages from all over the country that their area is under a containment zone and it's a complete lockdown kind of a situation, and the banks are not working to the fullest of their capabilities and they're not able to prepare the demand drafts. The institute is well aware about this issue, and the institute will definitely extend some timeline or give you some leeway on how to fill your examination form along with the demand draft. So rest assured that due to lockdown this has occurred, but the institute is definitely going to provide some way out for this particular issue as well. Suggested answers for January 21 have not been released as yet. These are required. Why? Because we need to know the exact marking scheme of examination and what kind of pattern do we follow in the examination. Yes, certain draft patterns are being circulated as of now, but they are again draft unless and until a clarity is given on the exact pattern and we are able to see the suggested answers along with the question paper of January 21. We won't be able to understand what is the exact pattern. So yes, I've personally communicated this matter to the institute, to the relevant persons, and let's see by when can we expect an answer. Okay, this is a peculiar issue which has come up with Chennai center code number 205, whereby many students are facing some technical glitch with respect to their financial accounting paper. So yes, this issue is already communicated to the institute and they are well aware about this particular issue as well. So all these 5 issues will be well taken care of by the institute well in time. So just rest assured, you will be getting a confirmation, or you will be getting some solution very soon. So don't worry about all these 5 things. These 5 things will be very well taken care of. And yes, now let me discuss about the sad news. Yes guys, there's a sad news. The biggest sad news which is there on the entire country, on actually the entire planet, is corona pandemic. And to top it all, the massacre which has been created in Israel versus Hamas. Now this is creating a real panic in the world because we are almost at the verge of the third world war. Corona is actually not willing to go away, despite of the efforts which have been put in by the world community at large. It is affecting any part, every part, or some part of the world. All the time it is affecting. So yes, that is a big problem which has been haunting all of us. Guys, amongst this all chaos and this situation, we have lost Dr. D.S. Rawat. Who's Dr. D.S. Rawat? Dr. D.S. Rawat is a pioneer commerce professional. He's a research analyst. He's a scholar of accounting standards, and so to say, if I give him a title, he's the father of accounting standards in India. Guys, when I was studying accounting standards, then I used to refer to his books, and even after becoming a professional, working with KPMG in the audit division, I used to refer to his books of accounting standards. The examples, the lucid examples, the way he used to tackle each and every topic, critical topic of accounting standards was par excellence. Unfortunately, we have lost him. We have lost a pioneer. We have lost a person who is par excellence in terms of accounting standards. And yes, I feel that almost my guru has been snatched away from me. So it is that kind of a situation. So I felt really bad when I heard this news, and undoubtedly you guys also have a lot of such casualties at your home. I have a casualty at my home. Yes, my dearest aunt passed away last week. My Mausi passed away last week, and I was really close to her. And amongst all this chaos, I am forced to think that, guys, life is really short. Life is really short. Please don't spend your time in having grudges, having tensions at your home, having cold wars at your home. So many students tell me, oh, my father spoke very rudely to me, so I'm not talking to my father for last 2 months or so. Some people tell me that okay, my mother in this pandemic situation is behaving erratically, so she doesn't allow me to go outside the home, and several kind of restrictions are there. I'm already frustrated, and I'm being forced to study amongst all this chaotic situation. So I am really fed up of my mother or sibling or any other family member. Guys, let me be very frank with you. After having these 2 losses at my professional and my personal end, I think life is too short to have grudges, to hold on to clinch on to certain mishappenings which have happened in past, and to not to behave properly with your parents, with your siblings, with your family, with your friends. It is not worth it. So 2 tips which I am going to give you today. Forgive and forget easily. Forgive everyone who's done bad to you. Yes, do not fall in that trap again. but forgive everyone who's done bad to you and forget things in the past. Start a new beginning, start afresh. So if you're not talking to your father, please go ahead. Please talk to him today. Please talk to your mother today. Please ask her whether she is fine in this pandemic situation or not. Guys, even if physically someone is fine, then mentally this entire pandemic situation has taken a toll over many of us. Many people who might be looking okay might not be okay. So yes, under this situation, do not hold grudges, do not have bad feelings for your family, your friends, your relatives, your cousins, and all the people who are there in your ecosystem. Just don't have those bad feelings for them. Just forgive and forget very easily, and just try to remain calm, just try to remain happy, and just do your best. That's it. That's all which is expected out of you. Just do your best. If you do your best, then that is the end of the story. Nothing will matter more than you doing your best. Just give it your best shot and leave everything else to the circumstances, to the situations, and to the people who are handling those things. So for example, leave all these 5 points to the institute. Institute will well take care of it. Don't worry about it. These 5 points have been very well communicated to the institute. Institute is well aware about all these things and many more things which I have not covered over here through your emails. Institute is becoming aware of all those things. They will adequately take care of all those things. Do not worry. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.